Hey kids, Metal, how we doing? It is Todd from ToJu Racing. What's going on? So we're going to go ahead and open up this here box. This is a Carrera Evolution car. I've got a funny little tale to tell about this. This is Dirty Dog Shit Dave's car. He actually ordered a muscle car and or hot rod, and he was mistakenly sent this Evolution sports car that is actually a Porsche, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it. We're going to move the angle here so you can get a closer look. All right, we're back. Let's go ahead and open this up. So we have previously opened this, so but we're still doing an unboxing for you guys so you can check it out. All right, here we go. I got to keep it suspenseful. Are you ready? Here it is. The Porsche 911 Cabriolet. So yeah, Dave ordered like I said, a muscle car, and they sent him this. It's an Evolution car. He was able to get his money back, and they let him keep the car because it was from overseas. We're going to go ahead and get this off of this and get it down to the turb table for a really close look. All right, kids, we're back. This is one beautiful car. It's got a pretty dang detailed interior here, as you can see. You can see your gear shift and buttons. There's paint detail. It's probably the tachometer there on the thing, or on the dashboard. Great driver detail. It's even got a haircut like Dirty Dave, which is pretty funny. It's a nice metal flake blue, as you can see, glossy with a white and red stripe. Porsche Carrera light writing in the back. It's actually got a license plate, so this is kind of a sports car more than it is really a race car, but it's still a race car because it's a Porsche. And then you can see the license plate up front, of course, and it's a British one. It's got a nice Porsche logo there on the hood, and there's another shot of the interior here as it comes around. You can see the radio dials and all that. Just a beautiful little car. It really is. I bet this car's fast, and Dave has already gave me permission to get him a chip and get this baby upgraded. And just so you know, it already does have the port ready to put the chip in it. So, and look at the detail on the exhaust, even though it's on the bottom. That's pretty cool. So we'll have to check it, get inside of it and check everything. We're going to get some ball gauge tires for it if possible. We're going to check on that tomorrow with Carrera slots and getting a chip for him. So that's really cool. We can go ahead and put this power supply on it and see what it looks like with some lights on here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, I probably got the polarity wrong. You could hear the car running though. I don't know if this messes up the braids. I'll just give them a new set. We got plenty laying around. No headlights? Let's try it the other way again. Interesting. I don't see any lights on. You'd think this thing would have lights, but you never know. Let's pop it apart real quick and look. When you magnetize your screwdriver, you might pick up other things. Be good to take a look at the inside anyway. Just take a moment here. Hi, Phoebe. Phoebe's here to say hi to everybody. It's got lights. No, it doesn't. That's interesting. Wow. Not much there to that chip, is there? That's all right. It's got the screw, so the other chip will fit right in there. Interesting. It doesn't have any lights at all. It looks like that might be a light bar. I'd have to get a flashlight and try it. You can see it's built to have them. Yeah, it's got the slots and everything for them, but they're not in there. So basically, we just need to buy a set of headlights for this too. Wow, I'll have to let Dave know that. So by the time he chips it and headlights it, he's gonna end up paying $50 for this thing. Interesting. But still, I guess it was free. So that's kind of funny. So it can accept lights, and it's got all the pods for it, the slots and everything, but they're not in there. Anyway, that's all right. We'll go ahead and put this bad boy back together. I can tell you this car would look really tough with those lights, and I bet it's a fast little car. All those Evolution cars that we have that are chipped up are very fast cars, so very cool. It's a really cool little car. So even though he may have to put lights in it, it's only about 10 or 11 bucks, but like I said, $30 on a chip, $33, 10 or 11 on the lights, and you pay for the shipping, you've got 50 bucks wrapped up in no time. Anyway, so there is the Porsche Carrera Cabriolet 911 convertible sports car. We will chip that bad boy up. It will be digital and all that. So Dirty Dave did kind of good on this. It's kind of lame he has to spend the extra money, but it's all good. So there is everything for this unboxing. So thanks everybody for tuning in. Metal. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Peace out.